What if I told you that you could automate all the boring parts of a paper company? Yes, the one that feels like the set of The Office, using 5 AI agents chatting like a WhatsApp group. Well, hold on to that. You no longer need endless meetings, Excel spreadsheets that crash in the middle of the night, or another Michael Scott joke. Today you're going to meet the Munder Difflin multi-agent system, the Robocop of corporate workflows, except without running on Windows 95. Ready to watch agents managing inventory, generating quotes, and closing sales while you sip your coffee in peace? Then stick around, because this is where laziness becomes productivity, and productivity becomes existential panic. Instead of hiring another intern who will lose the keys to the storeroom, why not put software robots to work? The Munder Difflin Mass is the MVP of automation, a multi-agent system that simulates an entire team tired of paperwork. You'll see these agents chatting in text, deciding whether to restock inventory, calculating discounts, and finalizing sales, all while you watch an anime episode. Interested? Hold on to your marimba, the show is about to start. First, let's take a tour of the repository files, not another folder full of kitten JPEGs. We have projectstarter.py, the brain of the entire operation, where all agent orchestration lives. Quotes.csv, the secret diary of past quotes. Imagine a file full of drama. Quote, requests.csv, the queue of paper-hungry customers. Quote, requests, sample.csv, test scenarios so we can play without breaking anything real. Ever felt more lost in a GitHub repo than in one of Rick's labyrinths? Exactly. Okay, nerds, it's time to set up the environment. Open your terminal, that black rectangle that makes us feel powerful, and run pip install R requirements ext. Then create your .env file with the OpenAI key. Udacity, OpenAI, API, key, your, OpenAI, key, here. Remember, Python 3.8 or higher. No downgrading your brain, okay? Here's where the magic happens. Inventory agent, the uptight inspector who checks stock and orders more paper when supply runs low. Quote, agent, the math whiz who applies discounts and freaks out when you ask for 10,000 units. Order agent, the gruff cashier who seals the deal and logs everything for posterity. All orchestrated by the orchestrator agent, the maestro that makes these corporate NPCs talk. Check out this snippet. As compelling as a Westworld script, it parses your request, checks stock, auto-reorders with a bonus of 100 units when needed, generates a quote, and finalizes the sale. Boom. It's so simple it hurts. Now for the fun part. Run test, scenarios, reads the sample file, runs every scenario in sequence, and kaboom! Outputs on screen, stock updated, sales recorded. Each order printed like a Matrix demo, complete with a 0.3 second pause so you can pretend you understand what just happened. If the CLI isn't your thing, let's go GUI with Streamlit. Streamlit runs Streamlit app.py. Fill in your order, set the date, click submit, and voila. Inventory, quote, and delivery date right before your eyes. As slick as a food delivery app, minus the burger photo that never actually arrives. And here's the plot twist. You can adapt this project for any business. Paper today, computer chips tomorrow, chatbots the day after. 5 agents trading messages beat 5 interns debating whether a spreadsheet column is graffiti or a pivot table. The Munder Difflin MAS is just the start of the silent revolution turning bureaucracy into code. The future is here, and it only needs electricity and a few API calls. So, to recap. 1. Automated inventory without drama. 2. Generated quotes without human calculator errors. 3. Sealed sales without sprinkling confetti on the client. All running on a modest yet mighty SQLite engine, with reports even your IT boss won't complain about. Now it's your turn. Clone the repo, play with the test scenarios, or innovate with even more agents. How about a payment agent taking care of the cash flow? If 5 agents already do the work of half a dozen people, how many bots will you need to find a job? Comment below. Which agent would you create to automate your life? If it's a coffee-making agent, I suggest starting by getting off the couch first.